Forex trading for beginners course is what we're going to be talking about in this video, and I want to show you how you can access the course that we have created for free at no cost. So before I get into details about this Forex trading for beginners, I want to tell you, show you some of the amazing testimonies that people that we have gone through this course that were just beginners, what they have to say. So if you go online and type in my name, Kuda Online, and then you go to Google My Business, as you can see, there's quite a lot of reviews of people that are leaving testimonies. If I click on the reviews to read, we're just going to read some of the testimonies together. Okay, so this course is really helpful. I now envy and want to start my own trading journey. Okay, that's a review from someone, and then someone says this information was really helpful. I'm now on my way to increase my knowledge about forex trading. Thank you. Very informative, easy to understand, good enough to start forex trading. And another testimony, this course is good. I learned a lot on the fundamentals of forex trading, and to do all this for free. Okay, like I said, and even a bonus, there's a bonus that we give you again if you learn with us. This was really helpful. Thank you for the information. This was exponential, and I've learned about forex trading. Thank you, Mr. Kuda. There's quite a lot of testimonies. I may not go on and on and on, but there's quite a lot of testimonies that people have left. So before I show you how to get the free course, I want to talk about one of the challenges that a lot of people who are getting started face, and you may be facing one of these. And number one is information overload. You know, there's quite a lot of information on the internet, and when you're trying to get your hands to learn, you are learning this, someone is saying that, someone is saying that, and that can confuse you if you're just getting started. And you may be overwhelmed with market jargon. Okay, what I mean by market jargon, there's a lot of terminology when it comes to forex trading, and you may be confused by the terms, and that affects a lot of beginners. And lack of knowledge and education, a lot of people want to get into forex trading, they don't take time to educate themselves. And within our course, we have a lot of resources or a lot of places that you can go on and increase your knowledge about forex trading, and we highly recommend you do that. And unrealistic expectations, if you're just getting started in forex trading, we really don't know what pushed you to get into forex trading, but a lot of people that get into forex trading is either they have seen a friend making money, they have seen a lot of testimonies on social media, they want to make a side hustle, they want to quit their job, whatever the reason is, there is a lot of unrealistic expectations with beginners. What they believe is to get rich quick, much faster, based on the results that other people are having. I'm not saying you cannot be rich with forex trading, but there is a strategy to that. Okay, so you may be facing unrealistic expectations. The other factor that affects a lot of people that are just getting started is choosing the wrong broker. You know what? In forex trading, there is what is known as an online forex broker that you use to trade your currencies, and we encourage you that you choose your broker wisely, and within the course we've covered just that. And lastly, I want to talk about a point that I call get in my shoes. When we created this course, Forex Trading for Beginners, we got in the shoes of people that are just getting started and wanted to find out what sort of experiences do they get. Okay, and that's what we created, because we got in your shoes and try and answer some of the questions that you may have. Imagine sitting down with me over coffee, and I have 1 hour to spend with you to explain what forex trading is. That's what we've just done in our course, and there's so many reasons that I can talk about. Now, if you go to my website kudaonline.com and go to courses, you are going to see a bunch of different courses that I have created, and one of them is forex trading for beginners. You need to click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see there's a price to this course, but I will show you how to get this for free, okay, so that you don't have to pay this money. I want to thank a good friend of mine. His name is Courage. We did a collaboration on creating this course, and I just want to give thanks to him, and you'll also be learning from me and him as well. So within the course, this is designed for new beginners, and you gain inside knowledge, and there's quite a lot that you can get. So in order to get this course for free, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and find the link below this video. Around this video, it will take you to a page like this that says get free access pass. So you can only get that free access pass when you enter your name and email address here. Once you enter that, you're going to follow the next steps that follows, and also these are some of the benefits that you get. You get access to our WhatsApp channel, resources. I myself am going to be giving you feedback and quite a lot of things. You'll be able to understand forex trading in a very short space of time. And lastly, I want to emphasize that forex trading is involves risks. Okay, so please make sure that you practice a lot in the demo account and avoid trading with money that you cannot afford to lose. I must emphasize that. Okay, but our forex trading course is completely free. Go ahead and find the link around this video, and you will be able to get access to this training course for free. With that said, thank you so much. If you have any questions for me, please do go ahead and leave a comment, and bye for now.